And today we're going to be checking out this ultrasonic cleaner. That's right, this is a large capacity 48,000 hertz ultrasonic cleaner. Now this thing can clean larger items. It does hold 750 milliliters of water, which is equals to about a fifth. Don't ask me how I know that. And you can clean anything that's waterproof that you can submerge in the tank. Larger items like glasses, makeup brushes, razor blades, you name it, if it can go in the water, this can clean it. Let's go ahead, open this up, take a closer look, and see exactly what we're going to get. So let's get to it. Okay, so this is how it comes in a box just like this. We're going to go ahead and open it up, see what's all inside. Warranty card, instruction manual, and the actual cleaner itself. I've done a few of these recently because of the capacity. This is one of my favorites. It might sound kind of childish, but I have a lot of RC cars and stuff, and they get very dirty and grimy, so I plan on using this for cleaning parts before repairs. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very clean, very fresh, very modern looking. You have an on button, a set button, and an off button. It does have 5 different cleaning modes, and basically each mode is a length of time that you want to clean something. It has chrome accents, as you can see, with a tinted clear top with a chrome handle. And inside you can see that there is a stainless steel tank that's never going to rust, never going to corrode. And you can see also that it has a max fill line inside as well, so you know how much water you can fit inside here. Now inside this little accessory bag, you do get a set of tweezers, and that's for retrieving items out of the water. And then you have some baskets and different holders for cleaning different types of items. Now, in case you're wondering, this is a disc holder for things like CDs, DVDs. You can just actually place the disc on there and it will get it nice and clean for you. And this is actually a watch holder. That's right, you can put your watch on this and place it in there while it gets cleaned. That way it's not coming in contact with the stainless steel tub. So what I think we need to do is we're going to get this thing plugged in. I'm going to show you what the console looks like on the front right here, and then we're going to put some water in here, and we're going to clean my mother's ruby necklace. It's very grimy. There's a lot of, let me get it back here. There's a lot of crud and dirt all over this thing. So this is our before. So let's get some water, clean it up, and then we'll look at it as an after. Okay, so we have a bottle of water, we have our cleaner. We're going to go ahead and open it up, put a little bit of water in there. Make sure that whatever you're cleaning is fully submerged. Could have held a little bit more water. Nope, that's actually right on the max line, so a full water bottle will do ya. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our necklace, we're going to place it in our basket, drop it down, close the lid, plug it in, and now on here you can see that you have your different settings. This is 180 seconds, so this is a 3-minute setting. You have 300 seconds, 480 seconds, 600 seconds, and 90 seconds. So we're going to go for the 480, and then you just turn it on. And I can hear the chain and everything vibrating ever so slightly. I don't know if you can hear it more whenever I open the lid. You guys won't ever be able to see it, but on the water you can see the tiny little waves from the vibrations, and it's very, very cool looking. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let the time run out on this, and then we're going to check out our necklace and see how clean it got. Okay, so our time just ran out. The cleaning is completed. So we're going to take our little tweezers here. I'm just going to grab this necklace out. I can already tell you it looks light years better. Let's go ahead and place it right here. Dry it off. Now, something that I realized on this whenever I was sitting here while this cleaned is this is also a ring holder. You don't have to use it for CDs and DVDs. You can actually put your rings on it as well. You could put one ring and put this disc on, put another ring on. These can be used for pretty much anything that you want to use them for, and whichever way that they work best. Alright, so time for the big reveal, and wow, wheeze. Quite a big difference. You can see how shiny the stone is now. The setting itself had all kind of stuff and gunk caked in there, and it's looking brand new again. I actually thought the chain was tarnishing or something, but it wasn't. It was just gunk buildup on the chain. It actually came out very, very nice. So if you're looking for an ultrasonic cleaner that can clean glasses, makeup brushes, jewelry, RC car parts, anything that can go in the water and clean it with water itself with no chemicals, no harsh smells, and it does a very good job of cleaning on top of that. So it's a win-win in my book. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.